Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Compound currently trading for $39.24. What's our price target for Compound by the end of the next bull run? How high do we believe Compound will get to when we see the market pumping to the moon, Bitcoin heading to $100,000? The bear market has been brutal to Compound. We've seen it lose 79.8% of its value in the last 1 year. But on a weekly time frame, on a daily time frame, we're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market. So how high do we think Compound will get to by the end of the next bull run? And where are key levels where Compound might face significant resistance as we're pumping to higher prices? We'll also be looking at Compound's performance against Bitcoin, Compound's performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally take a look at Compound's market cap. Currently, this altcoin has a market cap of $285 million. How high will it get to by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, deep in the crypto bear market of 2022, Compound is currently down more than 79.8% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, Compound lost over 7% of its value. This is the Compound US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. If you want to make money long term, you have to think well into the future. You have to be willing to enjoy the dumps and also be here for the pumps. When Compound was launched in some time in 2020, we first saw it dump, losing 75% of its value. But that proved to be a very, very good buying opportunity because, guys, if you got some Compound on the 2nd of November 2020, all you had to do was hold it for the next 189 days and your money went up around 995%. In total, $1,000 invested in Compound would have returned about $10,000 in less than 189 days. But the bear market is very brutal. The bear market is very, very crazy. We have seen a lot of altcoins dump really hard in the last 1 year. 2022 has been brutal to altcoins. We have seen Compound go from as high as $913, coming to set new all-time lows in the bear market of 2022 when it got to as low as $26.6. Compound can still go lower in this bear market. There's always that possibility we'll go back to break the $26.6 level. But guys, if Compound holds this level and this proves to be the bear market bottom for Compound, then we'll be ready for higher prices in the future. Because right now we're in the bear market. At some point in time in the distant future, we are going to go back to the bull market. We're going to come on the yearly time frame and you see all these altcoins pumping to the moon. For you to enjoy that pump in the future, guys, you have to be willing to take the hard step and invest in the bottom of the bear market. Other key levels that we're paying attention to for Compound when it starts pumping to higher prices, the $64.4 level will be a very good area of interest for me. Compound got rejected off that level 2 different times. First, in August 2022, we tried to pump above the $64.4 level in September, and we also got rejected. So I'll not be shocked to see Compound maybe get rejected the 3rd time. Maybe the 4th time will be the charm. Other levels to pay attention to as Compound will continue pumping to higher prices in the future. We might face some little resistance at the $100 level, and after the $100 level, another key level where you need to pay close attention to will be the level where we got to in March 2022 when we saw this altcoin getting to as high as $173. Since March 2022, Compound has gone from as high as $173. We have seen it dumping to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $26.9, losing more than 84% of its value in the last 77 days. Altcoins are very volatile that way. They can dump to Goblin Town, but why we love altcoins is that they can pump to the moon, and the pump to the moon can happen very, very quickly. Another level to pay attention to as Compound will be getting to new all-time highs in the future will be around the $376, $360 region. Compound might face some resistance at that level. The last time we saw Compound trading around the $360 to $370 region was in November 2021, and Bitcoin was trading around $69,000 then. Ethereum was trading around $4,800, and then we went into the crypto bear market. And Compound has been dumping to Goblin Town ever since. Compound has gone from as high as $370 in November 2021. It has dropped to as low as more than $26.6 in the bear market, losing more than 92% of its value in approximately just 231 days. If we're calculating from the all-time high where Compound got to in 2021, when it was trading around the $900 region, Compound has seen a total of a 97% decline from the all-time high we set in May 2021. That all-time high will be the line in the sand. We'll be waiting for Compound patiently to get back to that $900 region. From where Compound is currently trading right now, this altcoin will need to go up over 2,200% for it to get back to that $900 region. But how high do I believe it to get to by the end of the next bull run? Because guys, if Compound break into new all-time highs, we have to be willing to exit at some point in time. It can't keep going up forever. For that, we'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Compound in May 2021 to the bottom that's coming for Compound around the $26.6 region. There's a very strong chance, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, that Compound can get to as high as $3,800 by the end of the next bull run. From the bottom right now, where Compound is trading around $39 in the bear market, Compound will need to go up around 10,000% for us to get there. That's almost 100x return on your investment. $1,000 invested in Compound right now should return over $100,000 if we see Compound getting to that price point in the future. Are you buying some Compound right now deep in the bear market, or are you waiting for lower prices? Guys, remember, you don't want to go all in when you're buying these altcoins. Just the fact that you're buying it doesn't mean you can't keep dumping to gobbling town. There's even that possibility that Compound can even set new lows in the bear market. But if you're going to be holding Compound for a very long time, if you're going to be holding Compound deep into the next bull run, right now it's a good region to start dollar cost averaging, getting ready for the next bull run. Let's take a look at some details about Compound. In the last 1 year, Compound has gone from as high as $248 to as low as $26.52. With a market cap of $285 million, Compound has a fully diluted market cap of $393 million. Total value clocked on Compound is $1.4 billion. We have over 7.2 million Compound tokens in circulation out of a maximum supply of 10 million tokens. Currently, rank 99 on CoinMarketCap, over 216,000 people have Compound on their watch list. What is Compound? Compound is a DeFi lending protocol that allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by depositing them into one of the several pools supported by the platform. Where can you get some Compound if you want to get some to hold through the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some Compound on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bitstamp, on Qcoin, on BitTop, on Kraken, and guys, any exchange where you get your favorite altcoin, you can get some Compound right there. If you take a look at Compound performance against Bitcoin, right now in the bear market, it's dumping to gobbling town. We have come to set new all-time lows in the bear market of 2022. From the highest point Compound has traded against Bitcoin in June 2020, we have seen Compound lose more than 96% of its value against Bitcoin. But very, very importantly, Compound has not taken out the lows we set in June. We are still holding those lows, and since June 2022, we have seen Compound outperform Bitcoin by more than 61%. So is the bottom in for Compound against Bitcoin, or is there a possibility Compound will set new all-time lows against Bitcoin? Guys, you want to remember, we are still deep in the crypto bear market. Even though we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top right now, there's always that final move to the downside that will get a lot of people scared, thinking everything is going to zero. So are we waiting for that final down before we see Compound pumping to new all-time highs against Bitcoin? Because from where Compound is trading right now, for it to get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, Compound will need to go up around 1,600%. And if you take a look at Compound's performance against Ethereum, yes, it has dumped to gobbling town, losing more than 98% of its value in the process. For Compound to outperform Ethereum and set new all-time highs against Ethereum in the future, we'll have to see Compound outperform Ethereum by over 5,000%. Do you think that's possible? Guys, do you think Ethereum is going to head towards $10,000, maybe $15,000 in the future? If you think that's possible, I will not be shocked to see Compound outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum in that kind of conditions. If you take a look at Compound's market cap, currently at $287 million, we have seen the market cap come to a new all-time low of $186 million in the bear market. Key levels I'm paying attention to for Compound's market cap will be around the $300 million region. Maybe, just maybe, Compound's market cap will get rejected and we'll see it breaking into new all-time lows. But for how high I believe Compound's market cap will get to by the end of the next bull run, if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, there's a very, very strong chance, guys. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool, there's a very strong chance we'll see Compound's market cap getting to as high as $19 billion by the end of the next bull run. In the 2021 bull run, we saw Compound's market cap get to the $4.7 billion region. From where Compound's market cap is right now, it will have to go up 1,600% to get back to the previous all-time high. And for it to get to where the Fibonacci retracement tool is telling us where it can get to by the end of the next bull run, Compound's market cap will have to go up around 6,900%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Compound right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you believe we're going to see Compound trade above $1,000, $2,000, even as high as $3,900 by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.